So in this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to build a list. Half the battle in wealth management and financial planning is finding the right people to put yourself in front of effectively. So we're going to use AI, a couple of models, Claude and Perplexity, to find these people. So what I'm asking Claude to do first is to optimize this prompt. So we're saying create a prompt to build a contact list of 10 UK SaaS entrepreneurs turning over between 2 and 8 mil that indicate that they are in windows of wealth advice, include LinkedIn profile links and a personalized outreach sequence by scraping publicly available data, display the data on an interactive dashboard, ensure to comply with GDPR and compliance protocols. So that is a basic prompt. So we're going to get Claude to improve that prompt. So as you can see there, it's bringing up a lot more detailed prompt to dig into all this gold data, really, that we're going to leverage Perplexity to find these people and build a list of them, and to create a personalized outreach sequence to find them on LinkedIn and reach out to them. So it's now telling us what it's done here. I've created a comprehensive prompt that addresses all your requirements, all the key features, target profiles, GDPR compliance, research strategy. So what we're going to do is copy all this. And then take that over to Perplexity. So we use Perplexity Labs here, which digs really deep into the internet, does deep research. So yeah, we'll set that going. So it takes a while, this, because it digs really deep into the internet. So as you can see, that's going to take 11 minutes. It tells us all the reasoning as to what it's actually doing when it's doing it. So now Perplexity has put together the dashboard. As you can see here, it's all kind of laid out in a pipeline. So it's got various bits of information here that it's dug into: estimated revenue, employees. What else have we got? So we've got we can connect with them directly on LinkedIn here. We can send them an email. It's got the outreach touch points there that it's pulled in. That's all kind of personalized to a T, really. And you can see here what it's done. So it's saying first what it's done in terms of the search criteria. It's dug into all this data, funding announcements. It's searched Twitter, X, LinkedIn, thought leadership content. It's gathered the GDPR compliance framework. So all this data it's dug into. It took about 15 minutes to do it, and you can see there it's how it's formatted the outreach touch points, and then it's produced the dashboard there. Again, it's just telling us more about what it's delivered there. Average revenue, company age. It's dug into all that gold data, really. And you can see here as well, just go back. This is all the sources that it's searched. Where is it? Here, there's multiple different web sources that it's SaaS exit readiness dashboard, GDPR compliance. And these are the actual steps as it did it. live, kind of just documenting what it's actually done. So yeah, it's a pretty comprehensive list there that you can use to find the right people and touch and create the touch points as well, just to reach out to these people in a really personalized way to generate appointments with the right people. So if anybody would like to learn more information about this, I've got a free school community where I post a lot of content and tutorials and things on how to connect wealth managers and asset managers and financial planners with their most perfect ideal client using AI. If anyone would like a link to that, either comment below, or if you're on YouTube, I'll put the link below. But yeah, thank you for your time.